You're going to lose that spoon.
What spoon? Oh. Thank you.
All the way around and just pour it all the way.
Yes, that would be true. So why aren't you doing this, future farmer?
I've done it before. This is a Judy learning experience.
That's for sure. Okay, we'll go all the way around the bowl, squish out milk, all the way around. I guess from the top down, because there's lots of milk up in there. This takes really strong hands, and when you have arthritis, they're not so strong. I will have used all 20 of them by the time I get through. You have to have 20 fingers when they have arthritis. It is really getting firm.
Yep.
I still like my spoon idea better, but I'll make a little thingy here. There. Okay, that's where I'm going to pour it.
Nice looking butter.
It's pretty.
See? Isn't that easier?
It is. It makes me so mad that you know. I'm getting used to it, though. It's because you're old.
Yeah?
And I'm not. I'm just a young chick. Most expensive butter I've ever seen in my life. But, oh, man, it's cool. The more times we make it, the less expensive it will be, right?
Well, if you...
Well, we could buy a cow.
No, we couldn't.
And then we wouldn't have to buy all this whipping cream. You could just go out and milk old Bessie like you used to do, and we'd go from there. You don't want to do that?
Nope. Oh, look at that.
I feel like I'm really making a mess of things.
No, not really.